Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Airstream Bambi 22FB. We have a single axle. We'll get inside here in a moment. Two propane tanks. We have dual batteries here. Power tongue. Beautiful, beautiful RV. Bambi badging. And we have storage here. It is a 22FB, so the FB is front bed, and we'll get inside here and show you. I'll just show you the back end real quick, as well as part of your docking setup. Your power, outside shower, dump tanks. And let's get inside and take a look at the inside. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I got a link below for new, used service and parts as we step up inside. And we gotta close this door. Just solid. I just enjoy closing the door on the Airstream. So right when you walk inside, we have a great place to hang up your clothing, storage. Nice refrigerator and freezer on top, refrigerator, and then you also have these small bins for storing items. You also have your flat screen TV, a place to place items, groceries when you come in. We also have the convection microwave, 2-burner Sunbeam cooktop. Not Sunbeam, Suburban, I'm sorry. Suburban cooktop. I saw that in red Suburban and said Sunbeam. Your stereo setup, dual bowl stainless steel sink, and then we have your garbage pail as well as your silver. I've had several people comment on other videos about why would you have your silver there, and it's a matter of space, just trying to find the amount of space. It is limited. So trying to find things that work. We have storage above the bed, and we have storage below. There's your power shut off, and then we have storage. We have bins. That box is part of the goodies that you get with your 22FB Bambi. Storage below here as well. And let me move that out of the way. We have power hookup on both sides. And then we also have a dimmer switch and residential, as well as storage there. And you saw me just push the button. That was the light switch there. So we have a dining, U-shaped dining. It drops down to accommodate additional sleeping. Your books and all your paperwork for your Bambi. Let's head into the bathroom. You have hooks to hang up clothes, keys, dry erase board that is magnetized, so you can put your items, notes to yourself as we step inside the bathroom. Rather large bathroom for a smaller RV. We have storage, sliding doors here, storage. Then we also have ample storage below. Your commode. We have additional hookups there and articulating mirror, and then a very nice size shower. So great place to sit down or put your feet up if you have to shave your legs or something like that. And then you can use the shower wand to wash down the shower. And then we also have the line that you can stretch across to hang up swimsuits or towels to let them drip dry. So that is the 2025 Airstream 22FB. It's a Bambi, and I hope you enjoyed it. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.